Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, I am going to show you how to take screenshot in Microsoft Excel. Thus, if you want to do so, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to take screenshot in Microsoft Excel using 3 ways. Way 1, using built-in tool. Before exploring any advanced solutions, it is recommended to use keyboard's print screen key and take the screenshot easily. Open the Excel spreadsheet that you want to capture. Make sure the Excel spreadsheet is visible on your screen along with any other relevant information. Press the PRTSCN key on your keyboard. This captures the entire screen. Open an image editing software like Paint or Adobe Photoshop, and paste the screenshot using Ctrl+V. After pasting, you can crop the screenshot to show only the Excel spreadsheet content. And then save the image to your preferred location. Way 2, using Snipping tool. The next method you can try is using the snapping tool. For this, open the Excel spreadsheet you want to capture. On Windows, you can use the Snipping tool or Snip and Sketch utility. You can either search for them in the Start menu or use the Windows+S keyboard shortcut and type their names. In Snipping tool, click on New, and in Snip and Sketch, click on New as well. You can choose the type of snip you want: rectangular, freeform, window, or full screen. Use the Snipping tool to capture the portion of the screen containing the Excel spreadsheet. After capturing, you can annotate, highlight, or crop the snip if needed. Then, save the snipped image to your preferred location. Way 3, using third-party screenshot tools. You can also use third-party screenshot tools like Snagit, Greenshot, Lightshot, etc. These tools often offer more advanced features for capturing and editing screenshots. After capturing the screenshot, you can insert it into documents, presentations, emails, or other applications as needed. So, this is all about how to take screenshot in Microsoft Excel. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.